Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving sort integers by the number of 1 bits. So we will be given an array filled with numbers and we want to sort them by the number of ones in their binary representation first. And in case two of them have the same number of ones, then we just sort them in ascending order, meaning sort them from the smallest number in decimal form to the largest number in decimal form. So if we look at this example, 0 has the front because it has 0 bits. These have 1 bit, so these 4 are next in ascending order. These have 2 bits, so ascending order here, and the last one, the number 7, has 3 bits, so we put them in the end. And for this example, all numbers have 1 bit in their binary representation, so we just sort them based on the number itself. So it will look like this. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, it's actually very straightforward. We will first sort the array by the number of ones, and if multiple numbers have equal number of ones, then we sort by the smallest number in decimal form. So let's go over this example real quick. First, we look at their binary representations. So first, we will sort them by the number of ones. And as we see, these have 0 ones, 1 ones, 2 ones, and 3 ones. And since some of them are equal, then we will sort them by the order of the numbers size. And they are actually already sorted, so we can keep it as that. And we can return this sequence as an array for our result. So the time complexity will be O of n log n, where n is the number of elements in array because it will take n log n time to sort it. And the space complexity will depend on which sorting algorithm we use. But for me, I will be using the Python built-in sorting function, so it will be O of n for me. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we will sort the array. We will use key lambda num. And first we will count the number of ones. So the first factor will be num.bitCount, and the second number will be num its own. And we can return the array. See if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.